Think you're saving money by skipping routine maintenance? Think again. These common Dacia Duster oversights are silent killers for your wallet and your car's lifespan. Many Dacia Duster owners unknowingly incur unnecessary costs or compromise their vehicle's longevity and reliability through common maintenance oversights. These seemingly minor neglects can silently degrade performance, accelerate wear, and lead to substantial repair expenses. This report will detail 3 prevalent maintenance errors, their consequences and implications for vehicle health and owner expenditure. By understanding these pitfalls, Duster owners can adopt proactive strategies to safeguard their investment and ensure optimal vehicle operation for longer. Is your Duster's engine oil change schedule a ticking time bomb? The manufacturer's advice might be misleading you. A significant oversight involves misinterpreting recommended oil change intervals. While Dacia advises an essential service every 12 months or 10,000 miles, some documentation also mentions a Castrol oil change every 2 years or 30,000 kilometers. However, automotive professionals widely recommend 10,000 kilometers or 12 months as a safer practice, especially for typical driving. This discrepancy highlights that longer manufacturer intervals might be based on ideal conditions or marketing, while real-world extreme conditions like city driving necessitate more frequent changes, as implied in the owner's manual itself. What's the real cost of neglecting an oil change? More than just performance issues, think 4,300 pounds turbo repairs and voided warranties. Neglecting timely oil changes leads to severe, financially impactful consequences. Degraded oil increases friction, heat, and premature wear, potentially causing reduced performance or catastrophic engine failure. A less efficient engine also consumes more fuel. A turbocharger replacement, often costing over 4,300 pounds, is directly linked to poor maintenance. Crucially, Dacia's warranty terms explicitly exclude damage from neglected maintenance, meaning you could void your warranty and face significant out-of-pocket repair costs. To mitigate this, consult your manual for severe service conditions and prioritize annual oil changes, especially for city driving. Maintain a complete service history for peace of mind, warranty claims, and resale value. That little light on your dashboard? It's not just annoying, it's screaming for attention, and ignoring it could cost you thousands. A critical error is dismissing dashboard warning lights. These lights are your Duster's primary communication system for problems. Overlooked warnings include the check engine light, which can range from a loose gas cap to a faulty catalytic converter. Common Duster issues are knock sensors and overheating. ABS and DSC system warnings are critical for safety. Overheating warnings pose an immediate threat to engine health. Multiple lights, sometimes leading to limp mode, can often be battery-related or require dealer resets. Electrical system issues are the most frequent Duster repair request, emphasizing prompt attention to any warning. From a loose gas cap to a 1,300-pound catalytic converter, how ignoring a cheap fix spirals into a costly nightmare. The hidden cost of procrastination often leads to a domino effect. A simple spark plug issue, if ignored, escalates to reduced fuel efficiency and severe engine damage. A faulty oxygen sensor can damage the expensive catalytic converter, costing over 1,300 pounds. Ignoring warning lights can lead to escalating damage, reduced performance, poor acceleration, rough idling, decreased fuel economy, and compromised safety due to malfunctioning systems. Furthermore, neglecting these warnings can void your Dacia warranty. Always address a lit warning light immediately, seeking professional diagnosis, as many Duster electrical problems are complex. Engine oil isn't the only fluid keeping your Duster alive. Neglecting these 3 vital fluids can lead to catastrophic failures. Beyond engine oil, the Dacia Duster relies on other vital fluids. Neglecting them leads to serious performance issues, expensive repairs, and safety compromises. Is your brake pedal feeling soft? It's not just a comfort issue, it's a direct threat to your stopping power and ABS system. Brake fluid, essential for the braking system, transmitting force to stop the car. Dacia recommends changes every 4 years or 75,000 miles, with inspections every 2 years or 12,000 miles. Warning signs include longer stopping distances or a soft pedal. Neglect leads to reduced braking efficiency, increased stopping distances, and compromised ABS and DSC safety systems. Grinding gears or a strange smell. Your transmission might be on its last legs and it could take your ABS and DSC with it. Transmission fluid lubricates gears, prevents corrosion, and enables smooth shifts. Crucially, its degradation can also impair ABS and DSC. Intervals vary by gearbox type and driving conditions. Manual 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Automatic 60,000 to 100,000 miles, more frequent for severe service. Dark, burnt-smelling or metal-flecked fluid indicates degradation. Neglect leads to rough shifting, increased wear, impaired safety systems, and incredibly expensive transmission replacement. An overheating engine means more than just a red light, it means warped cylinder heads and a completely seized engine. Engine coolant is vital for regulating engine temperature and preventing corrosion. Dacia recommends replacement at 60,000 kilometers. However, only about half drains out during a standard change, mixing new with old, potentially acidic fluid. Proactive partial changes every 2 to 3 years can help maintain optimal health. Unlock your Duster's full potential and save thousands. Proactive maintenance isn't a cost. It's an investment with massive returns. Proactive maintenance offers multifaceted benefits. It increases vehicle lifespan, reduces unexpected breakdowns and repair costs, preventing minor issues from escalating to more than £4,000 bills, enhances safety, improves fuel efficiency, and significantly boosts resale value. Don't let common mistakes turn your reliable Duster into a money pit. Here's how to ensure it runs safely and economically for years. Common Dacia Duster oversights, misinterpreting oil change intervals, ignoring warning lights, and neglecting other vital fluids, significantly impact performance, longevity, and expenditure. Discrepancies in manufacturer intervals and the cascading effects of neglect underscore the importance of a proactive approach. Delaying maintenance leads to exacerbated problems, higher costs, compromised safety, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential warranty invalidation. Final recommendations. Conservative oil change. Prioritize annual or 10,000 to 15,000 kilometer oil changes, especially for city driving. Respond to warnings. Address any dashboard warning light immediately with professional diagnosis. Comprehensive fluid care. Regularly inspect and adhere to change intervals for all critical fluids. Brake transmission coolant. Considering proactive partial coolant changes. Meticulous records. Maintain a complete service history for warranty troubleshooting and resale value. The Dacia Duster offers great value. Its continued performance and your peace of mind depend on consistent, informed, and proactive maintenance. By addressing these common oversights, you'll mitigate risks, extend its lifespan, and ensure a safer, more economical driving experience.